Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to send Tether USDT from your Ledger Nano X to KuCoin in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to handle transfers securely, especially with the evolving tech landscape. This step-by-step guide is perfect for beginners and pros alike, helping you move your assets quickly and safely. First things first, make sure you have your Ledger Nano X set up and connected to your computer via USB. You'll also need the Ledger Live app installed and your KuCoin account ready to receive funds. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open the Ledger Live app on your device and connect your Ledger Nano X. Enter your PIN to unlock it, then navigate to the Accounts section and select your Tether wallet. This ensures you're working directly with your hardware wallet for maximum security. Step 2. In Ledger Live, find your Tether balance and click on the Send button. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address, so head over to KuCoin. Log into your KuCoin account, go to the Wallet section, and select Tether USDT. Copy the deposit address. Double-check that it's for the correct network, like Tron or Ethereum, depending on your Tether type. Step 3. Back in Ledger Live, paste the KuCoin address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send, but remember to leave some for network fees. Review the transaction details carefully to avoid any mistakes. Step 4. Confirm the transaction on your Ledger device by checking the screen. Never trust your computer alone. Once you approve it, the transfer will be broadcast to the blockchain. This might take a few minutes, so grab a coffee while you wait. Step 5. Head back to KuCoin and check your wallet for the incoming funds. It could take 10 to 30 minutes for the deposit to show up, depending on network congestion. Always verify the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan for peace of mind. A quick tip. In 2025, crypto security is even tighter, so enable two-factor authentication on both your Ledger and KuCoin accounts. Avoid common pitfalls like sending to the wrong network. That could mean losing your funds forever. And there you have it. You've successfully sent Tether from your Ledger Nano X to KuCoin. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video.